India is on a mission to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047, a nation where innovation drives growth, opportunity empowers every citizen, and technology bridges every gap. It's a future where progress is inclusive, sustainable, and proudly made in India. Driving this transformation are India's visionary business leaders of homegrown enterprises who are redefining innovation, inclusion, and growth. From technology to sustainability, from local impact to global reach, they are the visionaries of a Viksit Bharat. TV9 Network, in association with SAP, presents Visionaries of Viksit Bharat, celebrating the minds shaping our nation's future. In this episode, we feature Amit Kaushik, CEO of Inflame Appliances Ltd, a dynamic leader powering India's self-reliance in kitchen and home appliances manufacturing. From contributing to the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana to integrating AI and smart technology in next-generation products, Inflame has transformed the way India cooks and lives. With its Make in India commitment, the company is redefining innovation, quality, and affordability in Indian manufacturing. Meet the man driving India's manufacturing revolution.
I am Amit Kaushik. It is a pleasure that I am on TV9 Network with you all guys. We are into manufacturing. Inflame is into manufacturing of kitchen appliances, primarily electrical appliances. We are pioneers in manufacturing electrical chimneys in India, which is a China 1+ policy. When we started this journey in 2017, when we conceived this idea of manufacturing electrical chimneys in India, it was primarily a Chinese product in Indian market, which was coming for different brands under their brand logos. We took this initiative of making this product for Indian consumers in India, thinking in a way that this product doesn't have any rocket technology. Why should it come from China? It creates a lot of employment, and it has to be potentially an Indian product. Actually, we are associated with this industry since 2007. My brother Aditya was involved with some home appliances manufacturing companies, doing some work for them. He brought this idea that we should get into manufacturing of kitchen appliances. So initially, I started as a consultant for a kitchen appliances group in Faridabad. And having spent 5-6 years with them in different capacities, we decided to go our own in 2015. We shifted from Faridabad to Panchkula. और बद्दी में हमने एक पहला प्लांट अपना एस्टेब्लिश किया 2015 में. We went in production in September 2015. 2016 we started supplying for Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana. We were certified authorized by all 3 oil companies, IOCL, BPCL and HPCL. During the course of this journey, we realized that the expansion of manufacturing in gas stove industry is tremendous now. With such a high power scheme initiated by the government, a lot of people, a lot of entrepreneurs were supplying gas stoves in India. So we thought after this scheme is finished, there will be a flood of manufacturers and the products in the market, which will lead to a very unhealthy competition. So we wanted to try out some other products where the competition in manufacturing wasn't much, and chimney was one such product. It was being imported from China at that time in large numbers, as high as more than 90% in India. There were hardly any manufacturers in India who were doing this job, because China is a giant in manufacturing of electrical chimneys. They produced over 30 million chimneys annually, whereas our own consumption was not more than 2 million at that moment of time. So it was a big challenge to create support industry, to create component suppliers in India. So that is how we got into this trade. We needed funds. Bankers were not supporting us. We were new in the field. So they said performance is not enough to give you more funds. So we thought, let's take equity from like-minded people. And there were so many like-minded people who supported us with their funds and trusted us and gave us this new way to grow. We come from a village background. My parents were farmers. So when we left home, we saw our mother doing, khana banana on ordinary chulha using wood and other means. तो वो परेशानी तो देखी थी. तो जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर उज्ज्वला योजना में इतना बड़ा एक एनॉर्मस कैंपेन चला गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का, तो वो डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट हुआ. ऐसे लगा कि किचन्स के अंदर तो बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सी चीज़ें चाहिए. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट कुकिंग में प्रॉब्लम होती है, उसके बाद जो धुआं होता है वो भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम करता है. उसमें जो मतलब आई हैव सीन माई मदर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम विद ऑल दोज फ्यूम्स. तो चिमनीज़ जो है वो एक अच्छे एग्जॉस्ट का फंक्शन करती है. और वी थॉट गैस स्टोव इज़ फॉर हेल्दी कुकिंग, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर हेल्थ. So we thought to get into this. If you have to compete with the global players, you need to think like that. You need to deploy the policies and the infrastructure as they have. And digital tools is the most important factor in that. We have already deployed lot many digital technologies in our company. We have a glass plant in our company where we are processing glass for our chimney consumption. And over a period of last 5-6 years, there has been tremendous improvement as far as digital technologies are concerned. We are using robotic arms instead of human intervention in so many places where it was critical for us to deploy those technologies. Otherwise, there were a lot of rejection. So the efficiency going up using digital platforms, the productivity going up, rejections going down, all these things are helping a lot. And not only to say this, using ERP systems or using latest ERP systems which help you, collecting your data, analyzing your data, and using those findings in improving your product to make it more consumer friendly. We at Inflame believe that the success for Inflame is going through digitalization platform. China has survived over the years with innovation. We all know it. Even if we study China as a case study since 1988, 1990, we will understand that their real growth came after they started innovating things. So Inflame from the day one is innovating a lot of things. We are coming out with certain products which are going to be trendsetter in the Indian market. Nobody has even thought about it. We are looking to reduce noise considerably and increase the suction of chimneys considerably without adding to the cost. We are innovating products which are more consumer friendly, which are more price effective for the consumers. See, there are a lot of things which we need to do, and technology, innovation are integral parts. Without this, we cannot stay ahead in the competition. So we see Inflame as pioneer. We see Inflame in next 10 years as the powerhouse for these products in India, a leader in these products in India. And we are going to take a lot of positive steps in future to make sure that the growth is continued for next 10-20 years to come, and we stay leader in the market. और अच्छे इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स लेकर आएँ, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट्स लेकर आएँ जो हमारे कंज्यूमर्स की लाइफ को डे टू डे इम्पैक्ट करें, उनको पॉजिटिवली इफेक्ट करें. नथिंग विल बी डन ओवरनाइट, नथिंग विल बी अचीव्ड ओवरनाइट. इट टेक्स टाइम टू स्टैंड अप आफ्टर फेलियर, टू बी सेम वर्क विद द सेम मोटिवेशन after facing 1 or 2 or 3 failures. So persistency is very important for them. And then start taking risk. Life is not about playing safe. Nothing can be achieved by playing safe. You have to take risk in life. You have to take risk in businesses also. So you need to be focused. You need to be calculated. You need to see your 10 years, 15 years of vision, where you want to see yourself after 15 years. If you have a clear goal defined, and if you think you can take risk, if you have that motivation to employ people, to generate employment for people, for the country, I think you are a good material to be an entrepreneur.
This was yet another story of technology, innovation, and leadership fueling India's march towards Viksit Bharat 2047. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the visionaries shaping a self-reliant and future-ready India.
All the MSMEs like ours if they are felicitated, if they are recognized, their efforts are recognized, it is very inspiring. We get inspired to do better, and more people who are following us or who are looking at us, they also get inspired to do better and better for the country, for the companies, and for the society as a whole.
Next, meet Deepak Singla, Whole-time Director at SPS Constructions India Private Limited, building the bridges of tomorrow and connecting India's infrastructure growth story to the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047.